Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to add coins to Trust Wallet. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Trust Wallet on a device and log in. Here, tap the icon at the top right. You can now type in random letters and tap Add Custom Token. To fill up the details, you can copy the contract address, name, symbol, and decimals from BscScan and paste it here. After completion, tap Done. So that's how you add coins to Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.